Good day, everyone. Today we'll be continuing our discussion further with solutions chapter. So, in the last class, we were discussing about one of the colligative properties, that is elevation in boiling point. तो last class में हम इस colligative property के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Today we'll be seeing one question or some question related to this colligative property. So let us start with the question. So we'll be discussing elevation in boiling point. Boiling point of what? Boiling point of solution. When you add a, जब आप एक नॉन वोलेटाइल सोल्यूट को एक सॉल्वेंट में मिक्स कर देते हैं, then the boiling point of the resultant solution is higher as compared to the boiling point of the pure solvent. Remember this. So the formula which we'll be using is delta TB. This I have discussed in the previous class. Delta TB is equal to TB minus TB naught. Here delta TB is what? Elevation in boiling point. Remember, elevation in boiling point is equal to what? This is the boiling point of the solution and this is the boiling point of the solvent. So we'll be using this formula only, and this delta TB is equal to what? KB into M. This delta TB is equal to what? Delta TB is equal to KB, which is boiling point elevation constant into molar concentration of solute or molality of the solution, you can. तो इसी फॉर्मूले पे हम क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे. So let us start with the question. I am rubbing this so that I can use the entire space. So the question is somewhat like this. Question says that 18 gram of glucose का molecular formula क्या होता है? Is C6H12O6. So 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. 1 kg of water in a container. In some container you have dissolved 18 gram of glucose in 1 kg of water and you have prepared the solution. Now it is asking at what temperature will this water boil at 1.013 bar, which is 1 atmospheric pressure. The normal atmospheric pressure which we are subjected to is this. That is 1 atmospheric pressure or 1.013 bar. So when after dissolving glucose in water, it is asking now this 1 kg of water at what temperature it will boil. There will be increase in boiling point. So that is, it is asking you, ये आपसे पूछ रहा है कि what will be the new boiling point of the water after dissolving 18 gram of glucose in that 1 kg of water. Some of the data provided is KB boiling point elevation constant for water. KB for water is given and it is 0.52 Kelvin kg mole inverse. So kindly see this question, we will solve this. So we have to find the new boiling point of that 1 kg of water after 18 gram of glucose is dissolved in that. So let us start with the question, and we have been provided KB for water. So in order to find out change in boiling point, that is delta TB, you have to know Kb, that is boiling point elevation constant, into molality of the solution. Now you have been provided this thing in the question. It is given in the data. ये आपको दिया गया है क्वेश्चन में. You can go through that. ये दिया हुआ है and we need to know, हमें solution की molality निकालनी है. Molality is not given. So in order to calculate molality, what are the things you should know? You should know number of moles of solute and the mass of solvent in kg, because molality is what? Number of moles of solute present per kg of the solvent. Remember, per kg of the solvent, not solution. So Kb is provided. Now we have to find molality. Now we can find molality as solute is given, mass of solute is given. Solute is what? Solute is glucose. In the question, solute is glucose and mass of solute is given. Can you calculate the molecular mass of glucose? Molecular mass of glucose, it will be, or gram molecular mass of glucose will be around 180 gram. Kindly calculate that and see from the molecular formula जो मैंने आपको वहाँ लिख के दिया था, C6H12O6. So molecular mass of glucose is known, mass of solute which is glucose is known. Can we calculate moles of solute, that is glucose? Moles of solute will be given mass divided by molecular mass, which is 180. So it will come out to be around 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole of glucose is present in 1 kg of water. So we can find the molality of the solution. We can easily find molality of the solution. So molality of the solution will be how much? Molality is what? Number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So number of moles of solute we have found out, हमने देखा, it was 0.1 mole divided by mass of solvent in kg. Solvent का mass kg में हो. What is the solvent? In this question, water is the solvent and mass of water is 1 kg. So already it is given in kg. No need to convert it into kg. So what is the molality of the solution? It is 0.1 molar solution. Now we know molality of the solution. We have been given AB, we can find out what? Change in the boiling point. So change in the boiling point, delta TB is equal to what? Kb is given 0.52 into molality we have calculated, हमने calculate कर लिया. So it comes out to be 0.052 Kelvin. 0.052 Kelvin. Why Kelvin? Because you can see unit of kb is what? Unit of kb is what? Kelvin, kg, mole inverse. So change in boiling point will be in Kelvin. Remember that. So we have found out the change in boiling point. Now it is asked, हमें boiling point में change नहीं बताने के लिए बोला गया. We have been asked, हमें पूछा गया है कि what will be the new boiling point of this 1 kg of water at 1.013 bar, that is 1 atmospheric pressure. So boiling point इतना से change हो जाएगा and definitely it will increase. वो बढ़ेगा ही, because you know whenever you dissolve a non-volatile solute, the boiling point of solution becomes higher. So boiling point will increase by this much. So what will be the new boiling point? You have not been provided, आपको प्योर सॉल्वेंट दैट इज वाटर का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सॉल्यूशन में क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट यू नो द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर एट 1 atmospheric pressure, that is 100 degrees centigrade. So sometimes these type of data are not given, you have to know this. So delta TB is equal to what? Delta TB is equal to, you know, that is boiling point of solution minus TB naught, that is boiling point of solvent. We have to find TB, that is we have to find the boiling point of solution. Delta TB is, we have calculated, that is 0.052. So 0.052 is equal to TB minus boiling point of solvent, boiling point of water at 1 bar, that is how much, 100 degree centigrade, but we have to put it here in Kelvin because temperature difference, basically you can put it in degree centigrade also, but it is always because temperature difference in degree centigrade or Kelvin is same, but if KB is given in Kelvin and all that thing, so it is always better to provide the answer in the same unit which is given in the question. So what is the boiling point of water? 100 degree centigrade, convert it into Kelvin, it will be how much? 373 Kelvin. 273 plus 100 will be 373 Kelvin. So what will be the boiling point of, new boiling point of water? This will come this side. So 373 plus 0.052, that will come out to be 373.052 Kelvin. So the new boiling point of 1 kg of water after dissolving what? 18 gram of glucose comes out to be 373.052 Kelvin. So remember this one. Let us see one more question. The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. Question says that boiling point of what? Boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. Now, when 1.80 gram of non-volatile, when 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, 90 gram of benzene. The boiling point is raised to 354.11 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Now you have to calculate what? Calculate molar, or you can say molecular mass of what? Solute, the non-volatile solute which is present in the or dissolved in benzene. Calculate the molar mass of solute, and one data is given. Kb for benzene is provided. Kb for benzene is given, and it is how much? 2.53 Kelvin kg mole inverse. 2.53 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now kindly see the question. Boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. When 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, then the boiling point is raised to 354, means the boiling point of solution becomes higher. Initially it was 353, you can see, and after dissolving it increased little bit. Then you have to calculate the molecular mass of this non-volatile solute. We have been given the mass of non-volatile solute which is dissolved in 90 gram of benzene, but you don't know the solute, obviously you don't know the molecular mass, so you have to calculate the molecular mass of solute. So this question will also be solved using the same formula. ये question भी same formula से हो जाएगा. So how we will do? First we have to calculate the change in boiling point or elevation in increase in boiling point. So how you will calculate increase in boiling point? You know the final boiling point, you know the initial boiling point, means boiling point of solvent, boiling point of solution. So this minus this will give you delta TB. You know delta TB. Now delta TB is equal to what? Kb into molality of the solution. You know Kb for benzene. Kb for benzene is given. Only you have to calculate molality of the solution. So for calculating molality of the solution, you should know number of moles of solute. So you don't know number of moles of solute because you don't know the molecular mass. So using that formula only we can solve the question. So let us see. So first of all, let us see delta TB. What will be the elevation in boiling point? Delta TB will be how much? 354.11 minus 353.23. So we know delta TB. Now delta TB is equal to what? Delta TB is equal to what? You know delta TB is equal to Kb into molality of the solution. Kb is given in the question. Kb is what? 2.53 into molality of the solution. What is molality of the solution? Number of moles of solute present per kg of the solvent. So 1.80 gram, no, 1.80 gram of that non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. So given mass divided by the molecular mass of solute, let it be denoted as ms. So molecular mass of solute से divide कर देंगे given mass को solute के to get number of moles of solute. Then we will divide this by the mass of solvent in kg. So it is 90 gram, mass of solvent is 90 gram. So this 90 gram will be again divided by 1000 and that 1000 will go there. And this delta TB comes out to be 0.88 Kelvin. ये delta TB कितना है? अगर आप इसको subtract करेंगे तो ये 0.88 आएगा. So 0.88 is equal to this thing. Now you have an equation in which everything is known except this ms. This is simple mathematical calculation. ये आप कर नहीं लेंगे. This ms or the molecular mass of solute, kindly calculate for yourself. It will come out to be around ms. That will come out to be 58. That is molecular mass of solute will come out to be around 58. So these type of questions you will get from this section. Not very, but just you have to remember the formula, how to calculate molality, how to put the expressions together. कैसे सारी चीजों को एक साथ formula में रखना है. So today we'll keep it till here only. We'll continue further in the next class. Thank you so much.